Tell me, do you ever wake up feeling tight, sluggish, or your body just needs a deep stretch? If this is you, this stretch sequence is for you. Today, we'll unlock your entire body with a 5-minute full body opener, a flow designed to shake off stiffness, boost circulation, and leave you feeling mobile and refreshed. We'll focus on spinal mobility, chest expansion, and hip flexibility to get you moving with ease and confidence. No equipment is needed for this one, just you, your mat, and 5 minutes to reset your body. Do it anywhere, your bedroom, living room, or even outside for an extra energy boost. And here's the plan. We're going to start with a dynamic flow between child's pose and cobra. Move into downward dog for a full body activation, and finish with butterfly stretch to fully release tension in the hips. Most people skip their morning stretch and wonder why they feel stiff all day. But not you. You've made it here, showing up for yourself, and that's a win worth celebrating. By the end of this routine, I promise you'll feel looser, more mobile, and ready to take on the day. Let's get into it. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with the fluid movement between child's pose and cobra, the perfect way to gently wake up your spine and loosen tight muscles. Begin in child's pose, sitting back on your heels with your arms stretched forward. Inhale as you shift your weight forward into cobra, lowering your hips and lifting your chest while keeping your elbows slightly bent. Exhale as you push back into child's pose, letting your forehead rest on the mat. Flow between these two positions for 1 minute, moving slowly and with control. This movement increases spinal flexibility, improves circulation, and wakes up your entire body. I promise by the end, you'll feel more open and energized. Beginners, keep a small range of motion if your back feels tight. Advanced stretches, hold each stretch for a few extra breaths to deepen the release. Now that we've warmed up the spine, let's activate the entire body with downward dog. If you need one move to stretch your entire body, improve posture, and boost circulation, this is it. From a high plank position, lift your hips toward the sky, forming an inverted V shape. Press your heels toward the ground. It's okay if they don't touch. Keep your spine long and push through your palms, feeling the stretch in your shoulders and hamstrings. Hold for 1 minute, gently paddling your feet if needed. This stretch decompresses the spine, stretches the hamstrings, and strengthens the shoulders. By the end, I promise you'll feel longer, stronger, and more balanced. Beginners, bend your knees slightly if your hamstrings feel tight. Advanced stretches, hold longer and actively push your heels toward the ground for a deeper stretch. Now that we've activated the full body, let's open up the chest and shoulders. If your shoulders feel tight and your posture needs a reset, this is your moment. Start in a kneeling position, sitting tall with your core engaged. Clasp your hands behind your back and press your palms together, rolling your shoulders back. Inhale deeply as you lift your chest and open your heart toward the sky. Hold for 1 minute, feeling your chest expand and shoulders relax. This stretch reverses the effects of poor posture, relieves upper body tension, and allows for deeper breathing. I promise by the end, you'll feel more open and aligned. Beginners, if clasping your hands is tough, hold a towel behind your back instead. Advanced stretches, add a gentle back bend to deepen the stretch. Now that we've opened the upper body, let's stretch through the sides with kneeling side angle stretch. If you ever feel stiff in your sides or lower back, this will create space and unlock your mobility. From a kneeling position, extend your right leg straight out to the side with your toes pointing forward. Place your right hand on your thigh and extend overhead, reaching toward your left side. Gently swing your arm for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch lengthens the spine, improves hip flexibility, and relieves lower back tension. By the end, you'll feel taller, looser, and more mobile. Beginners, keep your extended arm straight instead of swinging. Advanced stretches can reach further with the swinging arm. Now that we've stretched the sides and hips, let's fully release tension with butterfly stretch. This is where we melt into relaxation. If you need a stretch that instantly releases tight hips, this is it. Sit on the mat and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall open. Hold onto your ankles or feet and gently press your knees toward the ground. Keep your back straight and, if comfortable, hinge slightly forward for a deeper stretch. Hold for 1 minute, breathing deeply and letting your hips relax. This stretch releases tension in the hips, improves flexibility, and promotes full body relaxation. By the end, you'll feel calm, open, and completely reset. Beginners, sit on a pillow to keep the stretch comfortable. Advanced stretches, fold deeper and press your elbows into your knees for a stronger stretch. If you're sitting at a desk all day, feeling tired, stiff, and maybe feel like you could do with more movement, go check out the free gift in the description. It's going to help you level up and move more without even leaving your desk. And trust me, you'll want to check out this gift. You're going to love it. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.